Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is Bay Solo in the house. Let me get ready. Yes, I gotta get ready. How's everybody doing out there? Today is gonna be a good day. It's according how you make it. Hit that like button, give that thumbs up to this video. Bay Solo is starting her morning. Yes, she's starting her morning. Yes, she is. And I want to go over my flower. I see an improvement in my flower. This flower right here, people. Yes, I see an improvement. Let me take my hair down. Look at this. Ah, Woody Woodpecker. It's okay. It's okay to be yourself. I love being who I am. Yes. This is some luxurious oil that I put on my hair. It's a nice company. And it keeps my hair moisturized. So I'm going to pump some in my hand. And I'm going to rub it into my hair. It's a beautiful morning. Yeah. I believe I will go outside right now. So I'm doing my hair. Oh, yeah. That's good. I'm going to use my hand for a comb because I don't use a comb in my hair. No. Mm-mm. I do not use a comb. I use my hand. Yeah, I use my hand to comb my hair. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so good on the scalp. Just fix. Yeah. But I'm going to get my hair braided because I need it braided. And I'm going to have to do this in the morning. They solo wouldn't have to do this stuff in the morning if I could just get my hair done. I'm just waiting for my granddaughter. That's all. She's going to do it. I don't rush her. I wait for her patiently. You got to have patience, people. When you want people to do things for you, now that's good. Look at this. Oh, that feels good to my scalp. Oh my God, that feels good. Yeah, Basil is getting ready. I already started running 3 channels right now. They're running right now. Yeah, 3 channels is running. Let's see. Let's open this up so I can see. I want to be able to see. Yeah, I need to see. There we go. Now, wasn't that an easy comb out? Yeah. Okay. Made solo combs her hair. Look, I can go through my finger. See, my finger can go through my hair. I know what I'm doing. Hmm. I don't use a comb. Comb pulls your hair out. Brushing is good for the hair. I need somebody to brush my hair for me because not my arms. I injured my shoulders. I'm in therapy, but it don't look like it. But I'm in therapy. Yes, I am. So this morning I want to talk about the plant. It has improved. I'm going to show you guys this plant right here. It has improved. Let me see. Let me see my hands. Voila. See, my hands not that oily. That's what I like about this that I put on my hair. It's a moisturizer. It keeps my hair from being dry and it keeps my hair soft. And my hair likes it. It loves it. I never change it up and buy a different product. I stay with the product that my hair likes. Yes, and my skin. I do the same thing with my skin. I don't switch up. I just hope the company never go out of business. Yes. All right. Let's see how the hands look. Yeah, they're good to go. Yeah. Okay. I want to tell y'all about my plant, the elephant ear. This is it right here, the baby. I really need this plant because I want another elephant ear. And right now, it's showing improvement. It's growing out the water. Look at this. Look at that. It's growing out the water. Oh, look at that. It's happy. The plant is happy. The plant is actually happy. Look. And look at the water. Oh, the stem is coming up out of the water. Yes, it is. This is nice. Improvement. You see the stem right here? It's coming up out of the water. I could see the tip. And I did not add no water. This is the same water. I just wanted to do the best it can. But it's happy. Look at that. Even the bottom stem, this one right here, it's happy. It's not dying. Yeah. And look at how pretty. Look at this. Look at the ears. This is Bay Solo growing house plants from her plants that she has already. Look at the neat. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. Very healthy. Very healthy. Let's see what happens. There it is. So far, no roots. I think the roots gonna come out right here. I see a little hump. The roots might come out right here. I'm waiting. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Oh, you know what? Let me get some tissue. My hands got oil on it, and I don't want the plant to have oil. I'm gonna clean my hands. Oh, so sorry to touch you like that with my hands. I'm gonna clean it. And you know the stem is very hard and strong. Yeah. I'm gonna put it back in the water. I need this plant. Yes, I do. I I need this plant. And it's surviving. It's very happy. There it is. Look at it. Let's see. Can I turn it around? There it is in the water. See the tip is coming out the water. Yeah. I'm very happy with my plant. Oh goodness, it's heavy. I gotta hurry up and sit it down. Oh my God, it's too heavy. It's very heavy. And I love keeping it. I keep it right there. That's where I keep it. Lots of sunlight comes in. Can you guys hear the birds? Can you hear the birds? The sound of the birds, I can hear them. That's the sound of the birds. Okay, here's the other plant. This is the other plant. Here's the other one. I am so happy that my plants are coming along. We have to give an update on these plants, you know? Look at this plant. Oh, so beautiful. Green. And there's the new plant right here. The new leaf. Yeah, I'm doing a good job. I'm happy. Lots of sunlight. The water is clean. The plant is happy. Bay Solo is happy. So I'm taking care of two plants like you take care of your babies. I'm a good mom. I'm a good mom. Now, let me go back to where Bay Solo's in the house. Yes, I am. Look at this. The roots. I'm looking at the roots. And look how green the plant is. This is beautiful. This is going to be a beautiful plant once I put it in the dirt. There's the stem, that long piece you see right here. It's getting longer. The last time I saw it, it was up here, the stem. It was up here, right here. Now it's right here. Look closely. There's the stem, right there. I'm going to leave it in the bottle. I'm not going to take it out. I want to see what happens. How long it's going to get, if there going to be any more stems besides that one. But it's a beautiful plant. So I have two house plants that I'm growing out of Bay Solo in the house. There's the stem, everybody. Look how long it's getting. Isn't that nice? Ah, yeah. It's dripping water off the stem. I'm gonna let it drip into the container. Yeah, this is nice. So let me put it back in. There we go. I'm more happier than ever. These plants are making me very happy. I love plants. I love plants. Bay Solo love plants. Yes, I do. So take care, everybody. Today is a new day. Happy Wednesday. Oh, Bay Solo's coming live tonight, 6:30 p.m. Central Time. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching Bay Solo Beautiful Plants. I love these plants. Bye. You guys got to go now. Bye bye.